Hello and welcome to Affiliate Mentor. I'm your host, Damian Townsend, and I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day using Google Blogger. If you're ready for it, let's jump right into it. First, you need to open up a tab and we need to go to Google. You need to first thing you need to do, if you don't have a Gmail account, you need to create a Gmail account. I have one, Official Moneymakers Club at gmail.com. But if you don't have a you don't have a Gmail account, you'll have to create an account. That's the first thing you want to do is create an account. And after you create that account, then you want to go down. You want to press this little block right here, these little block of circles, and you want to go down to more. And then you want to press Google Blogger. Excuse me, they're my children in the background. And then once you sign in to Google Blogger, then you want to create a blog. So you go to this little arrow right here and you go all the way to the bottom. You see I got a few blogs I've created and you want to create new blog. Once you create a new blog, I've already created one, so I'm not going to create another one. Once you create new blog, then what you would see is when you click view blog, should be nothing there. Okay. So you see it's nothing, no post or anything like that. So what you want to do is you want to sign up with an affiliate partner, which is Amazon or eBay or just different companies, Best Buy. You can even sign up for Walmart as an affiliate company. I've already signed up as an affiliate company, so now I'm able to get these links right here. And what these links are links to products. You don't have to have your own products to make money. You can start out with no money, absolutely $0, and make money. And once you become an affiliate with one of these companies, what'll happen is once you sign in, they will give you these images or these links where you can put these links on your website. And when people is on your website and they click on these links, and if they purchase anything, even if it's not that particular item, what happened is you earn commissions off of it. So basically, what you're doing is you're selling other people's products, or you're displaying them and marketing them where you can make money off of it. So that's the object. Well, let's get back to it. Now that you have your blogger set up, what you may want to do is you may want to copy these objects, or at least the pictures. You can use the image. You can use the actual image. They'll give you the actual image, but it will come out as an advertisement. And one thing that I notice is that when you use the actual text image, most of the time people they bypass it instead of just purchasing it. But if you use the image and you link the text link inside of the image, that's where when they click on the glasses, it will take them to the to place to purchase. Most of the time, they'll either purchase it or they'll go to another item, which may be a lesser price, but they'll still purchase something since they're there on Amazon or whatever.